Welcome to the St. James Learning Platform. In this video, we're going to look at an exam course. For example, our B2.2. When you open the course, you'll see our Welcome section. In the Welcome section, there is information about the course and the exam itself. For example, the B2 overview. Further down, you will find our writing and speaking videos. These are how-to guides, how to write and speak for the Cambridge B2 exam. Let's click on how to write an essay. Here is the video. You watch the video and you can answer the questions below. To return to the course, we can click here. And return to the top. To navigate the course, you can navigate with this tab here through the months. And to make things easy, you can also collapse all. It does take a couple of seconds. There we go. And here you can see all the weeks until the end of the course. The course includes 11 units and each unit contains 3 weeks. Let's have a look at this week's activities. If we scroll down and click here. As you can see, we have the to-do at home activities. These are the exercises you will do at home as homework. And we also have the to-do in class activities. These are the activities you'll do with your teacher in class. Let's have a look at one of the activities. If we click here, the grade to pass is 7 out of 10. So we can attempt the quiz. This one, we look at the different options. And once you've finished, you can click here to finish attempt. Submit all and finish. And again, submit all and finish. Here you'll find your grade, and here are the answers if they're incorrect. Remember, this is a learning platform, so you can do the exercise again until you get the required 70%. Click here to finish the review, and here you can reattempt the quiz. Also included in the platform at the bottom are 4 Cambridge tests. These are practice tests for you to use throughout the year. Your teacher will tell you when the deadline is for each test. Also, if you wish to contact your teacher, you can contact your teacher by email here. Compose, find your teacher, apply, and then write your email and send. Of course, at any time if you have any further questions, you can contact our reception team or ask your teacher in class. I hope you enjoy the course and your time here at St. James.